Hello guys, welcome to another video section. In this video section, I will be talking on how to take Facebook ads if you have a physical product. The other video talks about digital products, how to take Facebook ads for your digital products, and I've showed you all what it takes to launch your campaign, create a Facebook ads and everything. And I also made mention then how you can direct people to your website, the traffic and everything. Lest I forget, let me show you the outcome of the Facebook ads I ran the other time. Let me give you the outcome. Excuse me. Now, can you see this is the exact advertisement I ran? I ran this yesterday. So this is it. Can you see how a 16-year-old boy makes this? Can you see I told you that story sells faster on Facebook? So can you see that is the same advert I ran? Can you remember the last video you watched? Now can you see 13,200 people reached? Can you see? I have 53 comments, 65 likes, 18 shares. Can you see? 18 shares. So can you see I'm interested too. So can you see how it goes? So that is the beauty. Now back to the main thing. Now I want to promote a physical product. How do we promote our physical products? There are two ways. Number one, you can use videos, and number two, you can use ordinary image. But for this tutorial, I will be using image to promote it, but I'll just show you a peripheral how you can use videos too, but I won't use the video to promote because I don't want to. I want to do a live promotion for you guys, and I'm not using videos for now because what I want to promote is not video. Now where I get my own image from, before I go, I'll get my image from reliable, so like Jumia or something. So once I get my image, I will now go over to the Facebook and I will promote it. Now I want to promote, I said I like beauty products. I want to promote something like health or skincare. So I can go, I already have a product in mind that works like magic. I have Acmevit. That is the product. I love this product. Yeah, this is Acmevit. This is serum. This is the gel. This is the serum. So let's see the reviews because I love reviews. Let me see what people are saying about this review. Okay, let's see. Okay, this guy said, I just rub it, I don't see the effect on my face at all. Okay, this one says it is working effectively and I've seen changes. 1, good product. 2, it didn't work for me, I finished the, that is 2. 2, that is 1 2 3 4 2. It's okay and has really improved my skin a lot. Is not harsh on my skin. 3, using it based on recommendation. 4, good product. Can you see? So we have 4 versus 2, so it means the product is good. You know, this is skincare. Not everybody's skin will be the same, so some will react, some will not react. So it means the product is good and it's okay. So this is it means I want to promote this gel. I want to use this gel. Now what I will do is that I will go over to the gel. I will copy the description These are the description. I'll just go to the description below. Can you see this? Acne Vit acne cleanser cleanses deep down. Acne Vit anti-acne cleansing gel gently cleanses deep down into pores for clear skin. Thanks to the effective combination of this, its delicate skin suitors help prevent irritation. We are going to edit this on our own. So we are going to edit this and we are going to add Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's add this one. Gently cleanses deep down into pores, reduces protection, reduces pore size, minimize shine and blackheads. It's all from this. So we want to like, okay, let's promote this. Let's copy this. Ctrl V. Now let's rearrange acne bits. Thanks to the I don't need thanks. I'm going to remove this, extract this. Yeah. So give it space. Its delicate skin suitors help prevent irritation, overdrawing, and gently cleanses deep down into pores for clear skin. This is protection of excess sebum. So to place an order, send the following details to 0816114245. So 1, name, 2, location and local government, 3, phone number, 4, the person should write because we are acne Vit. Now, so then price. So just write the price here. Price, I'm selling this for because I went to, I think it's 27 in Just Right. When I went to Just Right, I actually saw it in Just Right. It's okay and it's recommended. Then the price I'm attaching to this is 2005 plus this 8k 8,000 naira with free shipping and cash on delivery. ₦8,000 price, ₦8,000 with free shipping and cash on delivery. So that is how to do that. So I'll just copy this, Ctrl A, Ctrl C. I'll head over to this my page here. Now I already have okay, make me Vits. Now say something about this photo, Ctrl V. Okay, now okay, so tag these folders. I don't need to tag it. So now I've added it, so I can now click on publish. So please give this a double spacing so that it won't look well, it won't look haggard when people are reading it. It is delicate skin scatter. It's delicate skin, yeah. Reduces, so let's give it some kind of space so that's okay. Price is 8,000 naira with free shipping and cash on delivery. To place another following the taste to, so leave a space here. Okay, so this is okay. So going to publish as regular post. So I've published it. So this is it. Now what I will use here, the logic I will use is boost post for physical products. But before I use boost post, I will go over to my advert section. Like I want to create an ad, so I want to know the number of people that are present in that, or in my interest, because when you use boost post you won't be able to use the interest because it won't populate the numbers of interest. Boost post will just boost it, but boost post you can target interest too in boost post. So and the funds, the money they will charge is very, very ridiculous. So that is my secret of creating low advert. I will just boost post. I will go and check because I will do some research too. Like okay, let's say I go to this advert section. So like let me create an ad. So okay, like okay, let me say I want to create an ad. So now that I want to create an ad, just choose engagement. Just choose engagement. No, not lead generation, engagement. Okay, now let's click on continue. So please follow this step. This is the method I use to promote my physical products. I don't use this step because if you have a website, I told you in the previous video, if you have a website then you can use this. You want to target, want to drive traffic, or but the one I use that I know is working perfectly, I use the boost post for physical product. But before I use boost post, I will come to this advert section to make some research. Yes, I want to know, I want to target some interest. I want to know the population in those categories, so that those population, those interests I've noted down, I will now transfer it to my boost post section. Because in boost post it's just like dummy, it won't show you any number, it won't show you anything. So but what I use, this is what I use. Let me say I'm targeting everyone in Nigeria. Fine. Now I want to target because I'm dealing with beauty products, acne. So first thing first, I will type acne because the first your first keyword must be acne free. 63, can you see 63,680? I can't choose this. I can't. Acne, I can't choose this. It's below, it's too low. So let's say okay, acne, let me see, acne cosmetica 273,000. I want okay, acne studios. So let's see Acne Studios. I want to see something. So that's the way you make some kind of little research, not that you just pump in and create adverts. No. Acne Studios, let's see. Acne Studios. Okay, let's see something. Let's copy this Acne Studio. Let's copy their website. Control C. You make some little research. Let's go to similarweb.com. Similarweb.com. Okay, let's paste this website in it. Control V and click on search. Similarweb.com, I use it. Okay, I'll give you I'll give you one website in conjunction with it that I use to like get my insights on what I want to promote or what I want to make adverts on. Like this now, I think the site is okay. Global rank is 49,000, the country rank is 36,000, category rank shop cotton. Okay, engagement 1.34 million visits. Wow. So traffic by country: United States, the traffic sources, so referrals. So the keyword are Acne Studios, Acne Studios. Okay, I think the keyword is okay. You can use Acne Studio then. It's okay. You don't need this. You don't need the display advertising, top networks. What we want is interest. Yes, audience interests. Yeah, these are the audience interests categories. So they are in shopping and clothing. No, some are in shopping and clothing. Some are in shopping. Some are in business and industry. Let's see. Okay, let's see the audience interest. Let's see shopping. Let's see. Okay, it means okay. Can you see something? When I made some research, those people in shopping, some of them they have infinity to Amazon, Craigslist, Taobao, AliExpress, Tmall. Can you see? It means you are going to target one of these websites, maybe Amazon, Taobao, because people love this site and they want to be seeing some kind of advertisement on this site. So this one has given me some insight on what I will put in my interests. I can choose Acne Studios. I will note them down. Don't, please note them down. You can note them down. You have choose. Let's just. You have chosen Acne Studios. Control C. I will be listing them one after the other. Control V. Acne Studios. Yes. Then Taobao. Okay, let's say Amazon. I'll target Amazon, people that love Amazon. That is 7 million. Amazon.com. Yes, Amazon.com. I'm targeting Amazon.com. Amazon.com. Can you see? So it has selected my audience based on my search. Can you see? It has narrowed down the search. Formerly it was like million. Now it has narrowed down because I'm being specific. So now Amazon.com, I'll copy these two to see, because that is what you'll be using there. Control V. So to run an advert is not just that you just run an advert. And then skincare, because I'm going with skincare because I'm dealing with skin. So So skincare, 90 million people, that is cool. 90 million, 90 million, that is skincare. Skincare. So then what have you? Skin, this is skin. Skincare employers, no. Beautiful skin, no, I don't want this. Skin therapies, no, 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 no. Natural skincare, that is good. Natural skincare is also okay. Natural skincare. So let's choose those two. Control C, let's choose that. Control V. Now, this is the what Facebook does for you. So if you have chosen like about three of what Facebook understands, so you click on suggestions. Can you see it will suggest for you? Beauty and care. Can you see the ones I didn't even take cognizance of? There's facial care, so I will choose facial care. I'll also copy this. Control C, Control V, facial care, then suggestions again. Suggestions. Anti-aging cream, 9 million, that is good. Health and beauty, wow. Health and beauty is also there. Health and beauty. Suggestions. Anti-beauty and care, no, I don't want this. Facial is okay too. Can you see my audience? Facial is also okay. Facial. Now let me put one more. Beauty tips, natural products, simple skincare, cosmetics. Wow, cosmetics. AliExpress, organic beauty, natural health and beauty. No, let's see organic beauty, AliExpress. I love makeup, health and beauty care. I love makeup. No, I don't want this. Beauty. Okay, beauty is also this, so I'll choose beauty. 7.7 million. No. Now let's what there's this magic I love about Facebook. Now can you see our potential reach is 7.7 million, which is very far to our budget. I can narrow down my audience by clicking on the narrow audience. So I'll click on suggestions. Also, I don't want natural skincare. It will ignore that for me. I don't want natural skincare. So I don't want that. Can you see 160,000 people? Can you see how it now narrow down this search? 160,000. Once I remove it, it jumps to 7.7 million. So that is the way to okay, it means when I chose natural skincare, it means probability that people that loves this page, natural skincare, facial care, health and beauty, it means those people that are here, they are here, they are here, they are here. So now when I said exclude this, it removes those people that like this page automatically. That was why it reduces. It means this niche, this natural skincare, it carries an heavy weight. So I can just shopping and fashion. I don't want shopping and fashion, so I can just ignore that shopping and fashion. Okay, because it's not there. Can you see it didn't change, because there is nothing relating to health and fashion or something. So cosmetics, let me see cosmetics. So there's nothing in cosmetics too. Let me remove this. So I can decide to say organic beauty or something. Okay, organic beauty. Let me remove this. Let's see. Let me add this. Okay, beauty salons. I don't want beauty salons. Okay, it means that it's not there. So skin, let me choose skin. Didn't change to. Okay, narrow audience. Let's see natural beauty. Let's see if this one will reduce it. Wow. Can you say 11,000 people? No, I don't want this. So it, in fact, it means those two carries a larger weight than this guy here. So because it means the keyword is very powerful. That was why it brought it down to that amount. Natural skin. Okay, let's just leave it that way. Let me just say facial care, facial hair, facial. Can you see when I add facial, it reduces to 380,000. Now let me now add the natural beauty. If I've not added it, natural skin care. Okay, I think I've natural beauty. Natural health and beauty. Natural beauty. Let me add this. Let's see what the potential reach will look like. Yeah, okay, it doesn't change. So beauty. So Facebook ad is not something you can just bump into and just click like that. Fashion and beauty. No. So fashion and beauty doesn't go. Okay, then skin. So you can name popular. Okay, skincare. Okay, skincare employers. No, skincare, skin therapy, skin beautiful skin food. No. So we can also add some popular skin products. Okay, let's say I think I know Carotone. Okay, it's not there. So we can target let's say acne, kid acne free. Okay, acne cosmetica. No, we don't want this. Oh, so many things like that, and you can just target popular health, market health or something. Market health, healthcare and medical services. Let's see this. So let's remove that. It doesn't change anything, so it means it's not useful there. So that is how you can eliminate your stupid keywords that doesn't add to anything. So you can eliminate them. So I think this one is enough for us without wasting much time. So these are the things you are going to copy to our 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you have not copied health and beauty and natural beauty. So natural beauty, health and beauty. So these are the things we'll be doing in the boost post. Now after you have gotten the number of people to reach 380,000, so at least you are still on point. So at least we can easily target these people. If you can target 380,000 people, now money now. Now, so what you now do here is, wow, someone just commented, I'm interested. Can you see? This one said, this sounds like a scam to me as a website designer and programmer. Well, it's about getting people to come on, and that's what we are dangling carrots. So it's not serious. A few seconds ago I liked it. So people doesn't believe that you can actually design an e-commerce website without coding, without programming. So they are in fact, people are so funny. And do you know what we do? What you do with these people? These people, because it's about 6 hours ago. People will have seen it. You will just hide these comments, okay? Because you can ban him. I can ban him completely. I can delete it. So these people will spoil business for you. If I've seen it on time, I will have deleted it. They will spoil business for you. It happens like that online. Some people are just beefing. They'll be because you want to you want to outrun them. So they'll just beef you. So it's bound to happen. So now we click on boost post. So once you click on boost post, so this is it. So you come to this side, the button section. So you can send message or sign up anyone you like. At least you can. Okay, this is the same message. So people will definitely send you a message. Then I've promoted something in the past. Let me see my audience, because this one works well for me too. Let me see. Okay, actually this is what I promoted in. Okay, I targeted beauty salons, beauty and care, fashion and makeup, the perfect makeup artist magazine, makeup and hair, beauty and style, spas, concealer. Okay, I think these are the people I targeted. I think this one is okay. I've done the research for this. We can also use that. Now I'm not targeting. I can edit this. I want to target the whole of Nigeria. So this one is just Lagos State. I want to target the whole of Nigeria. So because I don't know where my customers are coming from, so I'm deleting this. So I put Nigeria. So this is it, Federal Capital Territory, Nigeria. So we choose this. So then age is not 13 to 41, because I'm promoting health. People that love to pose, they like to class themselves between 24, and they can have money to buy this people of 18 years old. I don't like targeting 18 years old because they are bad market. Then women, target women only, because it's a feminine product. Now beautiful skin, okay, this one is okay. So okay, potential audience is what, 200,000. Can you see? So it's okay. Let me save it. If you can target 200,000, it's still okay for us, for our business. It's good. Now all you now do is, okay, let's see the picture. Okay, now okay, now this is where the magic happens. Can you see, with 1,000 naira I want to put 1,000 naira. It is 1,000 naira for how many days? For 2 days. That is 1,000 naira. Can you see the potential is 2,800 to 7,400 people. Now if I change this to, let me see, I'm changing this to 1,000 to, okay, my total budget is, this total budget, my total budget is 2005. 2005. Come and see the estimated reach. Can you see 5,009 to 16,000 people? So that's actually okay. Then I want to do for a span of, today is 6 9, that is 3 days. So it will use average of 880 naira per day. So that is my, okay, then payment method, this is my available balance, 10,000 plus. So now if that is done and everything is set and you are okay with that, 2005 is your total budget. So what you now do is click on boost posts. We say extend the duration of this boosted post to 7 days and you could get, no, this one is just, they are upselling to you, just close it. So view result in review. So once they approved your advert, this advert starts running. Now I want to show you something again. One of the tools I use to spy from what other competitors are selling. If I want to know what other competitors are selling, there's an application I use, which is web-based application. It's nicheminer.co/app. Go to nicheminer.co/app. So log in with Facebook. Wow, so welcome to Niche Miner. So now what keywords are you searching for? The keywords I'm searching for, let me say I want to see something on Acne. I'll see something on Acne. Then sites, just this one, just choose none. Choose none. Just choose none. Then other side, just leave this. Anyone, anytime, all posts. Just click on start mine. It will take you to the Facebook page straight. It will now go and mine anywhere acne stuff is, or acne cream and everything. Can you see? This one says going up, and oh, this one is acne. Okay, so you can search. You can come across something that might help you. Okay, this one is, looks like it's time to streak your skin routine. This one is glamour.com. Okay, this one is the acne cake will make you want to throw up. Let's see that. Let's see this. So if I want to do my research where I can just advance my search, like say acne cream. So start mining. Let me close this. Okay, can you see? Experience 5 hotels beauty products are this. So can you see this acne cream? So bio, let's see this cosmetics cream. So this is what I called page backing. So you want to exploit what your competitors are also selling. You want to explore what your competitors are selling. So this guy, let's see what he's selling. Okay, so you can see, let's see this product. Okay, let's see this product is hot. So we can just view comment. Let's see the comments. 411 shares. So that is how to know hot products. Okay, this one is a price. It means this product is hot, so it's okay. So you can, that is how to do page backing. So let's see what this person has in store. So okay, I think this is your acne. Can you see BioAqua? This BioAqua is in Jumia. Yeah. Excuse me. Can you see? You can actually copy this video. You can copy this video and you can edit it by yourself. So let's say BioAqua. Let's see. This is the way to search. So let me just type BioAqua in Jumia. Let's see what it brings down. Can you see? This is the actual products. Can you see? This is the actual products. So that is just it, guys. How much is this sold? Okay, this is about, can you see? This is about 1,400 naira. So can you see? So that is the way to search for, to look for. So it's price. So that is okay. So you know, you can just choose another one. Let's see something. So e-shops and fashions. So you can still, can you see that these people are, they're advertising acne. So my guy, that is the way to steal from your competitors product. You know what product sells best or something. Can you see this one is January 3rd acne? Can you see this one just promoted? And you can still, that is the way to do it, guys. Okay, people just commented on my post again. So now, so we are going to wait for the, and normally if you want an advert, this, because this 10:52 p.m. this to 11 p.m. So if you want an advert like this, Facebook, it will take some time. Facebook will approve it, but definitely they will approve it because they are working with your time here. So and they will approve it, and this advert will start running. And guys, I think I've been able to put you through how to now promote your physical product. Okay, I made mention of videos. If you want to promote your video in the same vein, so once you go to your page, so you can actually set this autoresponders on. Let me show you how to set this. Instant replies. Whenever people visit your page for the first time, what do you want to be, what do you want people to get automatically? So it's left to you. Now, prompt visitors to send messages. Page visitors may see prominently to start a message. Hello people. Okay, you want to start a conversation with people. Once they message you, yes. So now this is the message that will send instant replies to anyone who message your page. Hi, thanks for messaging. We try to be as we will get back to you. So meanwhile, you can call or WhatsApp us for more details. Say, okay, I've done this already. So this is what typically what you'll be getting. So to do video views, so just go to page. The same way you uploaded your picture, that is the same way you upload your videos. So there is no two ways to do this. Now you click on write something. So you click on this photo or video and you choose the one that is right for you. So you choose either photo or video and you promote like the way I've done. So guys, I want you to take your Facebook ads. If you have any challenges in taking your Facebook advert, make sure you contact me on 0816-114-2455. I'm not the kind of person that hide WhatsApp number because people will be disturbing. No, if I won't do it for you, I will say I'm very busy, I won't do it. But you can call me. I will be very, very glad to help you out because I love helping people to succeed, to make some success in their businesses. So guys, if you are taking the Facebook ad and you find it very difficult, or you are finding somewhere or something challenging in it, endeavor to contact me again. I remain your humble and loyal man, Olusonya Ahmed Adeshoga. I wish you success in all your endeavors, and make sure you give me a commission out of your product you are promoting. Yes, give me a commission. Give me a commission. It's a must to give me a commission. So I will indulge you to get on track, create your Facebook advertisement with little money and maximum profit. So be wise, get hot products to sell, and I bet you'll be smart. That is the way. Be smart. Once you're smart, you will earn a lot. So my guys, it's been a long minutes of talk. So I believe by now you have assimilated all what I've said. If you have not assimilated, go over this video again. That is just a video you can watch and rewatch and rewatch. Thank you very much guys. Have a lovely day. I love you all. Thank you.